What's up, YouTube world? Oh, you can see me. Well, we got a yeah, one of these Holden airbag covers. And we're trying to make it a Holden again, because we don't have Holden in America, so we get Chevy. But anyways, let's quick rundown. Go to my other video about the replacing the PPV steering wheel with the SS steering wheel. Because in that video I show you to take out the airbag. So we'll go there, whatever. I'll link it in the description, I guess. The next step, after you take it out, disconnect the battery, take out the airbag, and then start cutting these little slits like this, right? And what I've been doing is pry that open. Slide it in there. Like so. I think I made this tab a little bit too big. But yeah, slide it in. Boom. So just do that all the way around. I don't even see there's two more here. So do that all the way. I'm gonna come back when I'm done and show you. Be right back. Now, I don't care about poking holes here because I'm not going to use it anyways. Between you and me, YouTube. Man, this is crazy. Oh, okay. Oh, so there's two more in there. Stupid ass me. Didn't even see it under this airbag sticker. Easy money. Easy money. God, that was easy, bro. Sort of. Let's see if it goes back on as easy as it came off. Come on. Trying to be in the game like EA Sports. Oh, I'm in the game. I'm in the game, baby. I'm in that game, baby. Yeah, look, oh my god. Oh, this is so sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Now I can talk my crap. I got a foreign. Not a Chevy. Get that shit out of here. Cool. Gotta go put it in. I'm talking more crap. forgot how this go in. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm tweaking. Spit shot. Oh yeah. Come on now. Come on now, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel different. I feel so different. I'm about to go drive the car today. It's Sunday anyways. But yep, there you go. Holden airbag cover swap replacement, whatever you want to call it. I'll figure out the title. But yeah, man, Mr. DIY. Check it out. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of the above. Peace.